Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new marine blue sport band for the Apple Watch from Nomad. So big thanks to Nomad for sending this out to review. So the sport band from Nomad is definitely one of my favorites that they have available. I previously did a video on it, and I'll leave it linked up here of the black one. Definitely one of my favorites. Now, just to give you some information about this, it is waterproof, as you can see here. It does have FKM fluoroelastomer rubber, 100% waterproof, of course, interior ventilation channels, custom aluminum closure pin, designed for Apple Watch Series 7, 6, SE, and all previous versions of the Apple Watch. And as you can see, it comes in two different sizes. So they have the 40 and 41 millimeter. However, it will fit the 38 as well. And then you have the 44 and 45, and that should also fit the 42. So it does come in multiple colors here. So we've got black, lunar gray, ash green, the marine blue that I have here, and dune, and this comes in at a price of $59.95. Now it looks like all of them are back ordered right now, so I would suggest whenever they come back in order, definitely pick one up because it's definitely a beautiful band. All right, taking a look at the box before we open it up here, you can see we have Nomad branding. We do have a picture of the watch and watch band. It shows all the sizes it's compatible with here. Nomad on the side. On the back, we get some more detailed pictures of the watch band itself, so you can see the ventilation channels, and then you can kind of see this color. It's really one of those colors you actually have to see in person to really appreciate here, but here it is in all of its glory. It's absolutely a beautiful color. So if you're really into this kind of light blue color, I don't know how to describe it really. It's like a light blue and grayish kind of color mixed together, and it just really looks really nice. So as you can see, we have all the ventilation channels on here. It does have this really nice texture as well. You do have this nice color on the, it's a metal clasp here. And you can see we have Nomad branding on the back of the clasp. And this one is the medium and large. So let's go ahead and try it on. So these bands are pretty simple to slide on. So you just pretty much slide it into the channel like so. And it clips into place. And take the bottom piece and just do the same exact thing here. And we should hear a click. And there it is on the watch. So I do have the stainless steel Series 6. I don't have a Series 7 to show you this with, but it still looks absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and put it on right now. And here it is. So as you can see, it looks absolutely great. I really like this clasp. And it's pretty easy to put on as well. So it's similar to the sport band that you would get from Apple, where it goes inside and just goes underneath. The flap goes underneath the actual other part of the watch band. The medium and large is kind of large for me. I usually have to do smaller watch bands because of my wrist size, but it is absolutely gorgeous, and it should do really great with working out and any sort of sweat and everything. So obviously it's waterproof and all that stuff, but it feels really comfortable. It's not going anywhere. All right, guys, so there you have it. Just a quick look at this new sport band from Nomad. Obviously, this is just a new color, but definitely one to look for. So if you're looking for this one, it is back ordered for a little bit. Comes in a price of $59.95. I would say, again, when it comes out from back order, definitely get this one. It is definitely a beautiful watch band. And again, they do have a case that you can get that matches the same color, so you can have your phone and your watch match. So pretty cool there. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.